Now we're going to discuss yin and yang, which I'm sure most of you are familiar somewhat. This will be a great learning experience for you. Let's get started. Understanding yin and yang in your environment. We're going to use the yin-yang concept. You've likely heard of yin-yang. For now, we're going to assume that we all at least need a review. Let's go over the basics of yin-yang and what side you most identify with. In yin-yang, opposites are actually complementary. Everything is connected. Everything is both yin and yang. For example, light creates shadow, and shadow can't exist without light. Let's talk yin. Yin energy is soft and passive energy. Water is yin energy. Its nature allows you to easily move your hand through it. Yin energy accepts and gives to surrounding energy, easily making friends along the way. Earth is also yin energy, Mother Earth, nurturing. When yin invites yang to the party, it becomes either a creative or a destructive element. Let's switch now and talk yang. Yang energy is considered masculine. Yang expands, is highly active, is energetic, and less dense or less heavy. Yep, the outgoing life of the party. Yang moves fast and expands outward. Yang is passionate. Yang is aggressive. Yang elements are fire and air. Use the yin-yang chart to help you with analysis of yin and yang in your space. As you can see on the chart, if the room size is small, it's yin. If the room size is large, it's yang. If the location is quiet and private, it's yin. If it's busy and noisy, it is considered yang. If you have a fast-paced career, home should feel like a relaxing sanctuary. If you have a slow and dull job, home should feel bright and bubbly. If ceiling height is low, it's yin, and if ceiling height is high, it's considered yang. If there's a lot of natural light, it's considered yang, and a low amount of natural light is obviously then yin. If there is a low amount of electrical light, if it is dim, it's considered yin. If it's bright, it's considered yang. With flooring, warm carpet or area rugs are yin. If there's a cold tile, cement, wood, or stone, it's considered yang flooring. Wall colors can be yin and yang. Blue, black, purple, and white are considered yin. Yellow, orange, brown, red, gold, and mauve are considered yang. With furniture upholstery patterns, florals are yin and geometric patterns are yang. With design, yin design is elaborate, has lots of layers, and is ornate. Yang design is plain, simple, and uncomplicated. Small mirrors are yin, while large mirrors are yang. Knowing your opposite, yin versus yang, is important to obtaining alignment and balance in all of your spaces. If you work in a dark environment, home should be light and airy. If you work in a crowded environment, home should invite solitude. If your work is full of dust and dirt, home should be clean and uncluttered.